Ready to supercharge your sales and marketing game by seamlessly connecting HubSpot and Retell AI. First, log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the Integrations section, which is usually found in your settings. Think of this as the control panel for your entire marketing and sales operation. Once you're in Integrations, you'll search for Retell AI using the search bar. Click on the Retell AI integration to start the process. Now, you'll be prompted to connect your Retell AI account. This typically involves authenticating via a secure token. If you're already logged into Retell AI in your browser, this process becomes even smoother. After authentication, you'll be asked to authorize the connection. Essentially, you're giving HubSpot permission to securely share data with Retell AI. Carefully review the permissions requested by each platform before accepting and hit the Authorize button. Once authorized, you'll often be able to configure sync settings. This is where the real magic happens. You can decide which data from HubSpot, like contact information, deals, and company details, you'd like to sync to Retell AI and vice versa. Finally, confirm your sync settings and initiate your first sync. This will begin automatically transferring data between the two platforms. After the data has been synced, verify the integration by checking contact records in both platforms, looking for the correct data. And that's it. Your HubSpot and Retell AI are now ready to work together. You can now streamline customer data management, track conversations, and automate your workflows. Now, go and integrate your tools and have success.